my name is Latoya, Ebony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, take a look around. I got a ton of natural hair care videos, mainly focusing on type 4 hair. And today is a tutorial on how to get these very interesting, artistic lock twists, braids. You can use this with locks, twists, braids. I'm just using some craft wire and some lock jewelry. So if you're interested in learning how to get this look, keep watching.
Hey loves, as you can see, I started with mini twists wrapped up in a bun, but you know, as much as I like this style, it's so easy. I wanted to take it down and try something new and creative. I've had these twists in as a protective style for a while now, so I'm using the Head & Shoulders Scalp Elixir to freshen things up, and then I follow with the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream to moisturize my scalp until wash day. And no, this video isn't sponsored. I do have a full review you can watch, but I just use it because it works. I really like it, and so does my husband. He keeps stealing it from me. Next, take some rubber bands and start making ponytails all over your head. Each ponytail held about 4 or 5 mini twists, and I ended up with about 14 or 15 ponytails. And I'm not gonna lie, to me, this is a look. Get your lock jewelry and your craft wire ready because we're gonna be using that really soon. So take the rubber bands and put them around the mini twists in each ponytail to keep the twists together and distinctly separated. This step is optional, but it can be really helpful if you think you might accidentally grab the wrong twist during the decor part. I like to start in the back, so take the twists you don't need and put them up and away. Now for the fun part. Take the craft wire in any color you like and wrap it neatly around the hair for the ponytail that you're working with. This method is basically African threading, but instead of thread, I'm using wire. When you get to the end of the hair, use extra wire to lock the wire in place and give it a little flare. The wire you choose should be flexible and thin, however sturdy enough to keep its shape without any extra tools. Each piece I used was about the length of my arm, and I cut it using regular scissors. Alright, if you're slow at wrapping in the beginning, don't worry because you'll most likely speed up as you go along. But what if you run out of wire and there's still more hair left? Yeah, you know what? That's not a problem. Bend the end of the wire close to the hair and it should stay in place. Grab another length of wire and begin wrapping where you left off. You can use smaller pieces of wire throughout and no one will be able to see the difference. Problem solved. Continue using the same technique for the rest of the ponytails. The last step is adding the lock jewelry. I like it, but again, you can leave this step out if you want. When you're done, you'll have the option of shaping your twists with a small bump or putting the twists in other styles as well. But honestly and truly, I prefer this look with a hat or a scarf. The hat hides the parts and showcases the most interesting part of the twist, the bottom. And just like that, you're done. Use this look as a way to stretch your hair in style with no heat for photo shoots or everyday life. Whatever you do, you'll look amazing doing it.
That is it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful for you. It's a very creative look that I love. If you love this kind of content, make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let me know, would you rock this? Because I would. I am. So if you like this kind of content, I will show you how to get the perfect twist out up here. And then down here, I hope that's down here in the right direction. I will show you guys just a playlist of my natural hair care tutorials in case you're new to my channel and you're thinking about, hitting that subscribe button. So that is it. I will see you in a few days. Mwah.